Let me ask you something honestly. Do you want to speak English better, but you don't have time for classes, you don't have the confidence to speak with someone, or you don't have anyone to speak with? This was exactly me recently. I felt stuck in speaking English just because I didn't have anyone to speak with recently. I wanted to improve my English and also I wanted to have a partner to speak with. So I felt stuck. Then something changed. In this video, I want to share how ChatGPT was so helpful in speaking English, and also I want to show how you can use ChatGPT as your English speaking partner. If you're a person who feels so awkward in social situation or speaking English with someone, you can use ChatGPT as your English partner without fear and also without pressure. As I told you, before using ChatGPT, I had a problem. I didn't have a partner to speak with recently, so I felt like I was declining in my progress in speaking English. I was searching for a perfect practice method to improve my English speaking. I was at B2 level. No matter how hard I tried, I couldn't find a way to improve my English level. I had questions like, why am I not improving? Where am I doing wrong? What can I do for it? How can I improve? And on the top of that, I wanted to have a speaking partner who can correct my English gently. I was searching for videos to improve my English speaking. Then I came across this ChatGPT method. I started to use it. At first, I thought that it's just for writing. You can ask a random question and it will answer you. And I was using this ChatGPT for asking some questions in physics because I'm a physics teacher. I thought this is the use of it and that's it. And this is what a ChatGPT can do. But slowly I started to realize I can use ChatGPT as a speaking partner. It didn't judge me. So no judgment, no laughter. I can ask anything. The first and foremost benefit of using ChatGPT is it never judges you. You will not afraid to ask question. Do you know why? Because ChatGPT never says your English is bad. Instead, it explains it gently and also it compliments you wherever you are. Good. For example, if you type a sentence like I'm having a question and it will correct you gently, like a more natural sentence is I have a doubt or I have a question. So no shame, just learning. So it makes you confident. And another benefit is you can have your English speaking partner wherever you go. There are three ways I practice in ChatGPT. The first one is I use it for sentence correction. Whenever I write a sentence and I feel like there is a mistake in it, I will just type it in ChatGPT and ask it to correct it for me. It corrects and it will show you the natural way of saying that sentence or writing that sentence. The second method I do is I ask for ChatGPT to give me a topic or a bunch of topics to speak on that for 1 minute. And it will ask for the different genre that I'm willing to speak on. According to my taste, according to my interest, it will show some topics and I will choose a topic from that and I will speak on it. The third one is I do a conversation practice. Out of all these three methods, I love the last one the most. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to have a conversation with this ChatGPT and you're going to listen to it. So here is the ChatGPT. I open it and I have like this, and here I have create image. I can create image or I can ask for it for writing code, and I can give some text and ask it to summarize the text. There are so many options available in ChatGPT. It can manage your emails and everything if you are doing business. So we are not going for that. Today we are going to practice English. Here you can see this voice symbol, right? The pink color one. I have set it to pink color, but you can have some other color here. I press on that. Hi, can we have a speaking practice today?
Absolutely. We can definitely do some speaking practice. We could have a casual conversation about any topic you like, or if you have a particular scenario in mind, we can do that too. Just let me know what you prefer.
Okay, I just want to ask a question, that is, I have been practicing with you for so long, and how am I doing right now? How my level is?
You're doing really well. Your fluency and confidence have definitely improved, and you express yourself clearly. If you want more detailed feedback, we can focus on specific areas like pronunciation or vocabulary. Overall, you're making great progress.
Yes, you said me that I was at B2 level, and you gave me some instructions how can I improve my speaking level, and how am I doing right now, and do you have any suggestion, like any grammar topics or sentence pattern I have to use?
That's great. From what I can tell, you've been making steady progress. To continue improving, you can focus on more complex sentence structures like using conditionals or passive voice and incorporating a wider range of vocabulary. Also, practicing more nuanced conversation topics can help you sound even more natural. If you have any specific areas you'd like to work on, just let me know.
Okay, actually, I'm giving a demo to my viewers for my YouTube channel. So, do you have anything to say for them?
That sounds exciting. For your viewers, I'd say that consistent practice and staying curious are key to improving language skills. Encourage them to engage regularly, practice speaking out loud, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. If you want any specific tips or a little motivational message, I'm happy to help with that too.
Oh, is that it? Can't you say my viewers, new viewers, to subscribe to my channel?
Absolutely. To all the new viewers out there, welcome. If you're enjoying the content and find it helpful, definitely consider subscribing to stay updated with more tips, practice sessions, and engaging discussions. Your support really helps the channel grow, and we're excited to have you along on this journey.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. If you need anything else or want to practice more, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Okay. I put an end to it. So it said here to subscribe to my channel, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel so you will not be disappointed. Let me be honest, ChatGPT is a tool, so it cannot do the work for you. It cannot make an effort for you. You have to do it. It's your job to give a proper prompt to ChatGPT so that it can give you a proper result. You still have to open your mouth, and you still have to put your effort into it. Each and every person is different, right? Some person understand whenever they are corrected in a gentle way. Some person needs a different approach. So it's our job to give the correct prompt to the ChatGPT to correct our English. So giving correct prompt to ChatGPT, yes, very important. So if you want to know more about how to give prompt to ChatGPT in practicing English, you can leave a comment below ChatGPT prompt so that I will make a video about it later. If you feel like you are shy, or if you feel like it's too late, you have become too old to learn English, or if you feel like you are stuck in the middle, or if you feel like you missed the chance, please remember this: learning has no age limit. Learning is a lifelong progress. You can still learn English, you can still speak English fluently. If ChatGPT helped me, it can help you too. If this video helped you, like it and share it with someone who wants to speak English fluently. Comment below, have you ever used ChatGPT to learn English? If it is so, what is your method? Thanks for watching. I will meet you with another video next week. Until then, bye.